over your camera to follow my ping.
Great. Now walk to the target zone.
See that pinged area on the other side? You'll have to go around to continue your training. Too slow? Try sprinting.
Fast work. Now let's get to that shooting range barrier there.
Shoot the target. Now try while aiming down your sights. You'll shoot better, right?
Your ammo's limited. Don't waste your shots.
Reload early if you have to. Waiting till the last second can leave you...
If you do run out of ammo, switch to your backup weapon. You can't always rely on your primary one.
Switch them out.
Try your secondary weapon on this target.
Now back to your primary.
See the prompt? You can climb over some barriers, including this one.
Get moving to that next spot. See if you can climb that ladder.
The rooms beyond had unseen targets. You'll need to lean to see around these tight corners.
Go to the door and lean left. Then shoot the target on the other side. Now here, get close to the window.
Nicely done. Stop leaning and let's move on. If you need a refresher, you can check the control layout.
You're coming along nicely, Specialist. Let's test your endurance. First, try crouching. Be a smaller target and make less noise.
Now, vault over this window. Vaulting can be noisy. If you need to, you can